Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I want to show you some staple basic spices and herbs that you should always have in your cabinets. Heinen's has a wonderful assortment of dried organic spices that I know whatever it is you're looking for, they're going to have it. Here are my 8 staple dried spices and herbs that you should definitely always have. Basil, chili powder, ground cumin, garlic granules, ground mustard, paprika, onion granules, and oregano. And these spices and herbs are so versatile across a myriad of different cuisines, whether it be Mediterranean or Latin or even barbecue. I'm telling you, you need to have these. But now that we have all of them, let's make a few different spice rubs that you can use in your everyday cooking, starting with a barbecue rub. In a small bowl, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of each garlic granules, onion granules, and paprika. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, and then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and then a half teaspoon of black pepper. Boom, a tasty barbecue rub. And this rub would be so delicious on any of your proteins that you want to put outside on the grill. It will bring so much flavor. Now for a quick Southwest rub. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons each of garlic granules, onion granules, and chili powder. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, followed up with 2 teaspoons of sea salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And I absolutely love this rub on pork or chicken and outside on that grill or pan-seared. So delicious. Okay, the next one is a Latin style rub. In a small bowl, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons each of garlic granules, onion granules, dried oregano, chili powder. Next, a half teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, and then 2 teaspoons of salt. And that one will be good for any of your tacos or fajitas or even Latin style roast. So delicious. This last one of my favorites, is an Italian spice rub. In a bowl, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons each of dried rosemary, basil, oregano, onion granules, garlic granules, sea salt, and then a half teaspoon of black pepper. And that one would be so good on slow cooked roast, maybe in a little pasta or vegetables. And I'm telling you, all of these are so simple to make. That's why it's so important to have all of these spices and herbs in your cabinet at all times so you can change things up and absolutely take your food to the next level. Well, I obviously have a lot of spice blends to use. See you next time.